Okay. Let me just see. Oh shit, Face is streaming. Nice. I actually didn't realize. Oh my god, hold on. We have an echo. We have an echo of another stream. How do you mute? Oh, there we go. Okay, I managed to mute. Yep, okay, so we are live. This is actually working. Nice. Let me do a post, because I can. Because I can. Why not? I should add a terror emote, I just realized, to Twitch. But you know what? One day it will be there. Maybe. Listen, I will promise. Okay. So I want to take a little bit of break from Reine District 2. We did a lot of stuff. I even did some stuff behind the scenes when it comes to a few buildings. Let's just put it this way. And it is now enough. I want to do a few placeholders. Sadly, I will not be able to fully do Reine 5 until I get a little bit of help with pixel art, because Reine 5 actually is where I decided to put the Stronghold Family Lodge. So this is like, you know, the base that I want, but we don't actually have the files to produce. Let me swap this. Yeah, we don't actually have the files for this. We'll need some help. Let's just put it this way. I am not even sure if it will be feasible to put, you know, these things, these horns. I guess that's how we put it. We shall see whether they are like actually even feasible or not. But for now, we'll just use whatever we have to place a few buildings. I already had like one building in here. I started working on this placeholder today. We'll probably put a few placeholders also inside. I have a few prototypes that I did, but I did them in a stupid way, so I probably have to remake them. So yeah, this is the plan right now. Although first I have to work a little bit on the layers here, because I do not think they are quite correct. So, you know, we'll have to fix this one. So doors, windows, yeah, everything else should be good. Roofs under. What is roofs under actually? What does it even have? Nothing. Literally nothing. Okay, I see. Fine. No, we will need. Okay, no, we will need. We'll need either walls overlay or that. Oh shit! Hey there, Toxic! You actually made it literally at the very start of the stream. Heck yeah, okay. Welcome to the stream. We'll be trying something. Actually... oh my god, do I want to spoil something for you guys? Because we have a hero in TFH EU. Someone helped me a little bit when it comes to something. They said that this is a happy coincidence. I'm not sure if I should reveal that person yet or no, but they helped a ton. Oh my god, I so don't want to spoil it, but I also do want to spoil it. Hold on, I think I will. Screw it, I think I will. So, story, continue. Give me a second here. Also, hey there, Astra. Hello, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy it. We are gonna hopefully make some progress. So, if you remember from story mode, Pom was actually encountered, right? So she has a few portraits, like 3. She has like a neutral pose and like 2 more or something like this. So, I was surprised when someone sent me something to include, and this is like the base Pom emote, and these are the ones that they made. So they made a ton of Pom emotes, and we can actually make Pom like legit talk. That is absolutely amazing. I cannot get over how fantastic this looks. Like if you didn't know that there is a difference between the original, like slight outline difference between the originals and the ones that they made, This is amazing. This is absolutely astounding. Like, I was taken aback when they shared this with me. This is so good. Oh my god. So yeah, this is, I guess, the grand reveal. Oh yeah, we are streaming. Yes. Is this bad? Is this bad? We are streaming modding. I don't think so. But listen, this is the way it will be. I do plan. The problem is I don't have much time. I already was hard pressed to do one stream per week. My stream has kind of been overtaken by modding, but hold on, I have to sip my tea. Yeah, I may want to stream some games as well at some point. Although Modo has taken off, I love to see it. I love to see that Modo was also streaming TFH. So yeah, I will probably be focusing on modding now, which reminds me, oh my god, spoilers, hold on. I think I will have to come up with a path, so as not to spoil stuff. Oh my god, okay. No, it took them weeks to do this, Toxic. So no DLC expressions, I'm afraid, at least not yet. But we may have to do them at some point. Let's just put it this way. But they did POM expressions, and this was like amazing. So they sent this to me. I put this in game, and this actually like worked properly. So yeah, this is the lobby. This is Reine District 4, and we can go here. Also, yeah, that is respectable, Dear Eyed Witch. Yes, or Sen, I believe. That is you, Sen, isn't it? Oh my god, why is this not here? Oh, I know why. Okay, hold on. I forgot to upload the new version. Yeah, this is you, Sen. I thought so. Yes. I kind of thought so that it was you. But yeah, we have no collision here. So weird stuff is happening, as you can see, when it comes to like tiles and stuff. But I need to actually upload this also. Yeah, that is understandable, Toxic. They told me that they used a vector program to do vector art for this one. This is like the way Main 6 did that as well, I believe, because what they put in does look like vector art. So, hold on, portraits, POM. Oh, why is it? Okay, never mind. But yeah, this does look like vector art, right? You can clearly see this was done in a vector art program, but hey, listen. Oh my god, Sally Womp Womp. Okay, I see. Very well. Listen, at some point it will be there. Yeah, I know. I just read it at once. Like, I understand, Sen, but I just read it at once. Listen. Okay. That is not cringe, Toxic. Don't worry about it. Okay, so the plan is to make a few placeholders for this map and the inside of Stronghold Family Launch. Of course, as I said, like I don't really have the tiles to do Stronghold Family Launch, so this placeholder will just be there and that's it. It will not be perfect, but listen, it is something I am willing to accept. I wish there were like how do you say it? A way to make like a snow uphill, going uphill. This is another thing that is really missing because like this isn't exactly what should be there, I believe. Yeah, so there wasn't like a clearly defined hill. There was just this. But hopefully it will work. Listen. Can we get the void again? Listen, this may happen. Oh yeah, oh my god, it's too bad that you missed something Toxic. I wish you didn't, but for now it will remain a mystery. Okay, we are fixing hedges. We are fixing stuff in here. We have to work and actually do this properly. I think everything else can be on this. This is okay. Wait. Oh my god, 58. No. This is 15. That is what I wanted. Elevation, yeah. Overlay is here. And then we have this. Sure, let's call this hedge. Okay, whatever. And let's have this at depth 14. Yeah, this is okay. So, why do I have half hedges? Because of overlays. The way this like TFH engine works, it works on layers. So hero, unless moved via scripts, is on layer 0. So everything that is above him will be, well, you know, always drawn above him. Everything else will be drawn below him. Hero is like layer 0, depth 0. So if you change the depth of a tile, it may appear always above or always below the hero. So we will have to actually accommodate the fact that hero can walk like in front of hedges and also behind the hedges. So that's why we actually have to do this in the cursed thing, in that we do the top part overlaid. Oh my god, hold on. This cannot be random because this actually match. And then we do the bottom part like this. So this way, the bottom part is not overlaid, but the top part is. This is a hack I had to like put in place to actually get hedges to like properly behave. It is cursed, to say the least. Now that I think about it, do I want to expand this part of all like elevation? I think I will. So I'll actually do this first, perhaps. So we will do something like this. Yes. I think we will do something like this, and we may get void at some point. I promise nothing, but at some point we may. Oh my god, will I need... No, there is this tile. Okay, good. Good. So we can do this, then there is this tile, and then there are these tiles. Yes, so we can expand elevation like this. We'll put something for the Hoofstrong family lodge here, lodge here as well. And we'll probably try to do a few hedges here. Yeah, I think I am good enough with these for now. Do we want a hedge for the family lodge? Probably. I don't see why not. I was thinking also of creating another pathway here. So another set of stairs here and here, up and down stairs. Perhaps expand this a little bit, but I am not exactly quite sure this is a good idea yet. A lot of the city will be just, you know, for shits and giggles. Some buildings are definitely necessary. I already put like 2 of the parts that will be necessary for you to visit in story mode. But a lot of stuff is also like just out there, and that's it. Let me add some vegetations here, because why not? I am thinking about potentially doing water here as well, but I am not sure. No, we'll just... Actually, I think I will do an ice court. Yes, they will have a specialized ice court. Listen. Do not question the wisdom of the Stronghold family lodge. It is unwise to do so. Okay. We'll probably do something like this, I believe. This is here. This goes... Oh no, this goes here. And then we'll do something like this here. At least as a placeholder. And like I am too much of a perfectionist. I try to immediately come up with interesting stuff, but I feel that at some point it is actually more beneficial to just do a few placeholders. Hey there, Night the Fox. What's up? What's up, man? Oh my god, I just realized that we didn't test the lobbies. The Fox and I were testing custom lobbies, but we didn't get them to working yet. We may be able to do so at like in the future. We shall see. Do we want... Do we want a set of stairs? Trying to think. We may have one, sure. Trying to think. What do we want? This would be this, right? So this would be elevation and something in here, yes. We would just have to actually end it. So this would abruptly end. I shall see whether that is a good idea. Okay, where was the road? I don't actually remember when the road started. Here. Oh, and it is actually incomplete. I know no one will see this, but listen, as I said, perfectionism. It is not good idea to be this like strict about it, but I want to. Sometimes I just have to. Okay. We want to do this. Yes. And this has to be this piece, right? Yes. Oh my god, okay, these were combo pieces. I'll have to change them a little bit because I cannot just have it like this. Yes. Yeah, this is good enough. This is good enough for now. We can have something in here. Trying to think what. Oh. Huh. I could have sworn this was shorter, but apparently no. Apparently it wasn't. Okay, listen. We'll price a few random things when it comes to vegetation here. I will get back to it later. We will probably have to place collision around all of this. Yes, and then maybe do something about the family lodge, like inside of it. Yeah, I think that will be the plan. I think I am happy with this plan. Okay, let me copy this over a few times because this path will be here. I think there will be like traces of houses in here in this place, so it will just have roofs visible. You know, as a sign that houses are there. But that's pretty much it. I don't think they will be reachable in story mode or anything like that. Because sometimes I just have to, you know, suggest that there is the larger city. I cannot model all of it on my own. Okay, do we want... Actually, I think I will do this a little bit bigger. Trying to think... Nah, we'll not do anything fancy for now. We'll just do this. Okay, and then this. Okay, so we have our path. We have this, and yeah, we should place collision around this just to, just so that we can walk here. Oh, this is bigger than it should be for some reason. I'm not sure why. It's been a while since I, you know, placed these gates in here. Oh yeah, we should probably place collision around the wall, right? The giant wall. We probably want this inaccessible. Okay, I don't remember when the big wall ended. I will have to... I think we had one in Velvet Lobby, which was Reine District 4. Yes, we did have wall. Show me the collision. Yeah, it ended here, okay. So it just ended at the bottom. They didn't actually do anything fancy with this one. Okay, that's good. That's actually good. Oh my god, I remember something. God, sideways stairs are a little bit cursed. We may have to work a little bit on this one, but we shall see. We shall see how it goes. For now, though, let me check here. Yeah, we have a little bit of sideways stuff here, which I think I will just copy over. Yeah, so we'll take this, and it was here. Yes. Yeah, I think this is good enough. Let me just double check that this is... Yeah, this is the proper way. Okay, we can get this one. Oh yeah, this one is a little bit more complex because you have to also be able to approach from this side. Trying to think. This is just this. I remember there being a triangle the other way for the collision. At least I think there was one. Let me think. Hey there, Modosexo. What's up? What's up? Hope you you enjoy a little bit of mod streaming, because why not? Let's do a triangle here. Before I forget, give it type collision so that it actually has collision as it should. And where was this triangle? Trying to think. I think it was something like this. Yeah, I think it was something like this when it comes to collision. So this would be overlaid below, no, in front of the hero. I think this is okay. Yeah, I think this is okay. This collision. Yeah, I think we will need triggers. Okay, so we will need triggers to move hero to a different layer, at least when it comes to collision. I don't think we'll move hero graphically to a different layer, but we will move him to a different physics layer. So I'm not sure if you remember, but in Temple, in Highlands Temple, there was a puzzle when Arizona walked on bridges, right? So the way Main 6 did this is with triggers. When you, for example, approach stairs, right? You move to a different physical layer so that different collision applies to you. And then when you go down, like up the stairs, you approach a different one. This is how basically Main 6 did the collision for this one. I will have to think on a way to do this properly. I don't remember how the collision looked for this. Okay, this was a little bit, yeah, below and in front, and this ended right above the snow. Okay, so it ended here. So this is where the collision ends here. This is in front. Yeah, this collision is proper. Okay. We'll hopefully be able to get this done. Yeah, this is good. Now we need another set of collision here. A little bit in front, and then we will need one here to complete the collision. I don't remember the collision of a statue. Yeah, there was a statue here. Oh my god, this collision is actually cursed. It is made of different parts, which I hate, but it is what it is. Okay. We can close District 2. We can take this. And where did the collision begin? This roughly goes into the snow pile. Yeah, so one below this. Yes. So this is the collision of the statue. We'll need lamp collisions as well. Okay. Hold on. Lamp collision is also one below. Yes, so it's like this. Okay. Yes, and this would be the lamp collision, but we will get to that. This would be this lamp's collision. This would be this lamp's collision. No, this is one above, right? Oh god. Now I actually am not sure. This is roughly in the middle. Yeah, here. Okay. Yeah, this is actually proper, I think. I think actually this... Wait. Oh, these are snapped differently. I see. So that's why I cannot fit them properly. Yeah. These are snapped differently. So this is why... 4 difference. Okay, so we have to move these ones 4 up. Which is this. Okay. No, 4 up, not down. There we go. Now these are centered properly. Okay. And this lonely lamp here. Yeah, and I think this is all the collision for this level for now. We need house collision. I again have to check where the houses end. Right at the tile. Okay, that is actually way easier. We should probably have collision somewhere here. This should be overlaid now without any issues. We will need collision somewhere. Oh my god, hold on. I have to actually hide the house for a second. There we go. Okay, so this is where the house actually ends. Or it may be here. We shall see. Okay. Houses. It's the same, so let's end them both here. This is good. And then we can have the collision for this one. Yes, trying to think. Yeah, this roughly fits, right? Because this collision starts the same as this collision, so I am happy with this one, okay. And then we can have this here. Yes, okay. So now, we need the more difficult one. We need to probably pull Arizona Gate map. Arizona Gate. Because we need jump lines and we need water collision. Reine Gate. Yeah, this is the Arizona Reine Gate. Because I remember this could be jumped into. Or maybe I am drunk. No, this couldn't be jumped into. Arizona couldn't jump into the freezing water, could she? Trying to remember. I don't think she could. Jump lines. Okay, where are the jump lines? There are no jump lines. Okay, never mind. They never did. They never did jump lines for this one. They never allowed Arizona to actually swim in the freezing cold water, which I suppose fits. Like, I guess it does. I just don't remember the exact collision. Was this the entire tile? Yes. Let me open a lobby where you can swim. I just want to see. I just want to see. So, lobby maps. Arizona lobby you could swim in, right? Yes. Okay. With the bug in this collision. That's why you can jump into the sand here and swim a little bit when you are in the sand. Yeah, so the collision is like this. Like this, and it ends by the water edge. So let me actually do this. So this is the collision. Yeah, this is the collision for this one. Let me once again hide the house because it is very severely impeding my ability to do collision right now. So let's do this. Come on! Game, please let me select! I want to select! Okay, there we go. Game, I am not in game, I am in an editor. I am blaming TFH for what is not its fault. I should know better than do that. But whatever. Whatever. Okay, so this actually is very big. Yeah, this collision is very big. So this has... Yeah, this is here somewhere. Okay, I see. Yeah, it's something like this. Okay. I think I am good with this one. Yeah, and then we need one here. And we'll need jump lines, right? Okay. There will be a very tiny jump line here, I believe. Yeah, because now we need the down collision from this. And, oh, it's the same, I believe, right? Or no, it's not. It's not, actually. Yeah, it's not. It's not the entire tile. It's 8 pixels below. It's actually... Yeah, it's 8 pixels below from the top. So let me do this properly. So it's like this. Yes. Then we can have collision here, collision here, and collision here. Yeah, so there's a tiny bit of swimming space in here that you should be able to swim in. Maybe, hopefully. Okay. Yes, and so some of this will not be jumpable when it comes to the house, but some of this could be. Okay, I want to, I have not really played with water that much, so I want to see if the jump lines will actually work. Okay, and of course we need the type. All of this has to be type collision. Actually, I don't remember. I think this was enough if the group had the type collision, but I saw this in the story parts when they always place type collision for these ones. Oh god. Trying to think, can I show you guys what I am doing, but not really, because this takes too much space. I can't see shit if I do it like this. I'm sorry, so the chat will obscure a little bit. Like, it is what it is. What can I tell you? There is so much I can do. Let's try and get a few jump lines going then. I don't remember if jump lines had specific jumper tiles. Wait, did they do this with... No, they should... Oh yeah, they did. Okay, they did do this here. Jumpers. Yeah. So these rects. These are jumpers. Okay. They do not have any specific tile. Jumper is just a name. I think this is what makes a rectangle a jumper. I think this is the thing that makes it so. But I will have to actually double check, so we will see. For now, though, let me copy this jumper. Let me add jumpers here. Okay, and this will be an object in jumpers here. And we will do this. Right? Because you can actually jump out here. We can then... Oh! This is... Oh, jumpers may be different, okay. Yeah, these are different, okay. So these are actually different, I see. Yes. Okay. Are they bigger, actually? No, oh my god, okay, I did the collision differently to main 6. Oh, I see, they actually overlaid the rectangles, so I have a little bit of a cursed version, but I think this is good. I think this is actually proper. We shall see. So these are the up jumpers. I can then try and get the side jumpers. So these. Okay. And we will have to test whether the jumpers actually work. I think this one... Oh no, this is not even... Yeah, this doesn't even work because the collision does not allow this to work. I believe we have too small of a space here. No, no, give me this jumper. We just have one here and that's it. Yeah, the collision doesn't really allow anywhere else to make jumpers. Oh shit, that would... Oh my god, that is such a glorious idea. Toxic, that is actually an amazing idea. See, this is why I need creative people like Toxic, other people who advise me, because like I am creatively bankrupt. I can never imagine what should be there. But Toxic literally like with one immediate suggestion made this amazing. Okay, we may do this at some point. Let me actually write the idea down. Hold on. My super secret do not see notes. Hashtag TM. Do not steal. Donut steal. Yes. Okay. This will be the thing. Okay, so these jumpers technically should work. I tried jumpers in another part of Reine at some point. I did get them to work somewhat, but not really. So I'll have to see how they work now. We will probably not worry about trying to get the layering to work just yet. I will postpone this a little bit, but I will try to finish this at least. And no, this is... Yeah, it should be here. Yeah, so this is good. Oh my god, okay, I need up. Yeah, I will definitely need to play around with layers. This will be... Or physical layers, rather. This will be a little bit annoying. Just a tiny bit, but I don't think I will do so on this stream. Maybe. Listen, I promise nothing. I promise absolutely nothing when it comes to this. And you will have to accept it. Okay. Let me just expand this and then check. I think it ended somewhere like here, but I actually don't remember. So let me close Arizona lobby. We don't need you anymore. We don't need you anymore either. And let me check this. Where did this end? No, this ended on, yeah, on the line, on the tile. Okay. So on the tile below, this is this tile. Yep. So this should be the collision for this one. And then we can have, come on, please. I beg of you. Okay. So this, yeah, we'll definitely 100% need layering, but we will do it at some point. Trust. Okay, I think I had up and down stairs, facing north somewhere. Like, I remember fighting with this at some point as well. This was something I was, like, trying to take care of. Oh my god, okay, this is a little bit cursed, because I will have to move these to a different physical layer. Ah, this is annoying. This is very, very annoying. Oh, we have also stuff to do here. We could technically let the player swim with this, because hey, Velvet is built different. She's the reindeer. She will make do. Scandinavians can go into that water, so can Velvet. Trust. Completely reasonable logic. Do not question the wisdom of the elders. Okay. I think that was the case. Actually, I'm not entirely sure this was the case. Yeah, I think the width is correct. Yes, it is. Okay. Let's just double checking. And then this width. We need from the bottom. So here. Yep. So this. Okay. And this has to go... Yeah, here. Okay. So this has to go like this, I think. Yes. Okay. Now we need two tiny collision boxes here. All right. Up. Up was different. Yeah. Up was different. Up was like this. Okay. Yeah. So this is up. And it was middle, right? Yeah, it was 50-50. Okay. So this is going too far. This is, I think actually, yeah, by pure chance, good. And then we have this here. Okay, and we have our collision. At least the base one. We can also actually probably create a few gates, or doors rather, for the Stronghold Family Lodge, or however it is called. We will need... we'll probably need something. Okay, give me a second to think. How do I want to do this? I probably want to create a new file. I don't think I will be using the old one. Let's make this 40 by 40 for now. And let's just have nothing here, I believe. Sure. Okay. Listen, Toxic wanted void, so we will get some void. Don't question again. It is what it is. Okay. Let's save this as well. This will be strong lodge, and this is antechamber, I think, or at least that's how they call this part usually. Let me do a few things. Layers. This was objects. Excuse me. And this was terrain. Terrain. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I can type. Trust me. I can actually type. True story. Floor. Yeah, I think that was not fluff. Not fluff. This is not fluff. This is floor. Okay. And then we need an object layer called destinations, which is this. And we have to copy a destination. So this, for now, will be, this is strong lodge antechamber A. Okay. This is the thing, and then we can go and do this. Yes, and then we can get the map name. So hopefully I did not do any typos. I do not trust myself. I probably did. But listen, we shall see how it goes. Okay, we can import this and see how it goes. I think I also did something when it comes to saving. Let me just check. Yeah, this is plus checkpoint, so this will save. That is perfect. I will not have to walk all the way constantly. What is worrying me though is the amount of time I am taking to import. Not working wise, just transaction wise. I think I will have to split this into parts, like different maps into different parts, but that is like programmer problem for another day. I also did manage to figure out a few things when it comes to the way Main 6 did scripting. So I actually have like a more robust way to import scripts from the maps than before. Before I had to like make them in a separate file, check the hash and so on, and I actually realized what is the hashing function Main 6 used. Spoiler, as one would expect from programmers, this is MD5. So I can actually do this properly without like checking in the engine. I can just immediately hash the script and then put this into the file, and the game will understand this. Okay, so this. Oh yeah, there was a checkpoint here. That is right. Also, Elite 6, 7, 8. How many were there elites? Oh my god, I don't remember. I think originally they had Elite 8, right? That is like the baseline. But then something happened to Blitz, I believe. Who was like in the Velvet chapter on Main 6 page. And then you couldn't, there were Elite 7. Because I think this is called Elite 7 in the files. Let me check actually. But I believe those were supposed to be Elite 8 originally. No, it's just Elite House. Oh god, okay, this was not in the files. Damn. I don't remember then. Listen, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter for now. But I do remember this being weird. Okay. Reine is big. It takes quite a while to walk from one side to another. Okay, so this is a little bit complex for the files model. So basically, excuse me. So basically, Main 6 used tiled maps. They used an old engine that I think a knight found at some point. It's called Geobox. You cannot really get it. It is like an artifact of old that at some point stopped being developed, and that's it. It was developed roughly when Main 6 started development of this game, so I believe that's why they used it. They imported it and they used tiled files for the maps, like for the overworld, excuse me. So these are just XML files. You can actually open them very easily and see that they are just XML, right? So all of this is just XML format. I had to do a little bit of parsing to actually like assemble this properly, especially when it comes to the tiles, because the engine doesn't read the file for whatever reason. It doesn't actually read the file. What Main 6 did is they created tables for maps. So we have map instance, layer items, and animation items. Let me actually open a database to show you. TMX importer. We have resources. We have prologue. Yeah. So they have files for like an entry for each map, which then links to different layers, which then link to animation items. Yes, SQL tables, precisely. So the TFH, as pretty much all games, uses SQL like behind the scenes to actually store all the data. Even the save files are SQL tables, believe it or not. They actually are. They are not like any proprietary thing, no binary data. They are literally SQL files dumping down the memory. So I had to do a little bit of magic when it comes to item vertex data, because tiles are here in this giant binary blob. I had to like re-engineer this to give an examples, which was quite a bit of work. But that's how maps are loaded. For other stuff, it is also, like for the maps scripts, they actually also imported different stuff. So they had ink. Ink is like a very simple scripting language for dialogue that they imported into the language, and they use some kind of ink parser, but not exactly what is there. So they like pre-compile this roughly to ink, and they put this in ink bytecode. So for example, if an entity, if we want to define an entity to have an interaction, we create an ink file with an onInteract. Okay, first we create a Lua file. So I don't remember where the Lua files were. Oh god. Give me a second. So this was a little bit complex when it comes to all the stuff. But I think Lua files were here. In the text. Yeah, we have Lua files. Okay, so Lua files. Let me also drag this so you can actually see. So Lua files have functions on interact, like for example this on interact, which points to a specific ink file on interact function. Ink file defines line by line what actually happens. So it defines dialogue. Let's copy an ink file, whatever. Okay, I think I even have a few ink files here. These are just JSON files, basically. Yeah, so we have here. So they define line by line what happens. You define your function here, and then you define what happens after this. So you have evaluations, you have if then else, you have jumps, you have jot, which is their proprietary, like main6 actually called it jot, I believe. This is their scripting language that they did to force engine to do something. So for example, this is a reference to a file that is then executed. So this is like me commenting what the file actually did. And jot is it basically takes this line and parses it into a different format. So this these are jot files, right? They parse it into something like this, and this actually tells the engine what is being executed. So that is like how the files work between maps, between all of this. I had to basically remake the tools to create all of this. It was a little bit of work, to put it mildly. To put it just a little bit mildly. Okay, I think I can leave it here because I usually don't use all of the space. But it annoys me. Such a big window actually annoys me. Okay. Any questions, Modo? Or was that actually too in-depth? Was that too in-depth? Okay, we wanted to test something. We wanted to test collision. Yeah, so this is not overlaid. I will have to fix this. What I told you about the overlays before. If you put something in an overlay, like this, for example, right? We have the bottom, the bottom part of a hedge, so this one is not overlaid. So Velvet is in front. Because like the hero is always in front of the tiles on their layer. The top one is on a different layer, on layer 2, so it's actually in front of the hero. I didn't actually put collision, but normally, like collision would stop you somewhere here, so you wouldn't be able to like make this appear that you are like halfway through. I will also have to fix the light. Oh god, I just realized. You see this? This requires fixing. Because layer span is not correct. The bottom part is lit, the top part is not. But yeah, the bottom part has to be on a different layer. Okay, we wanted to test if swimming works. Yeah, so all of this collision seems good. Let me just double check that everything looks proper. Yeah, we are not in front of the roof, which is very good. Let me also check this. Yeah, so this is good. The lamps are there. This is there. Yeah, this has to be fixed as well. I will have to double check how the collision works around this part. And move the hero to a different layer for this. So that this actually shows properly. Okay. Let me check the back of the house. It should be good. Yeah, it is. And let's jump into water maybe. Nope. Okay, jumping into water does not work. So there is something that prevents me from using the jumpers. I'm not entirely sure. I had trouble with jump lines before. Trying to think. Did I do this at some point? Yeah, I did. I remember doing this. Where was this? I'm trying to think. I think I have to mark them as some sort of type. At least that is what I remember. Maybe lobbies do not need the type, but I think the map does, actually. Okay, I have to look through the files to check this. So we have... I think it was the park. And I had a jump line somewhere here. Jump line. Yeah, it is type this. Allow horizontal jump length 4. Let's try to add jump lines to our jumpers. And see if that perhaps fixes the case. Yeah, it is, you would be surprised, Modo, how many games use SQL behind the scenes, like, to hold the data. I know I played with a few, like, a few games, like, I checked how to mod them. So, for example, Total War Warhammer, right? All Total Wars, I believe, use SQL behind the scenes. So if you actually want to mod something, you edit the SQL tables. I think the same was the case for Hearts of Iron. This was also SQL behind the scenes. It is very common because, you know, it works. SQL is actually very good when you use it properly. So that's why this is usually done. That's basically the story. Okay, I think we loaded this, so we can actually go back to testing this. Modo, do you plan to become a programmer out of curiosity? Or do you just want to, you know, learn for fun? Okay, let me see if we can somehow jump into the water. Oh, this is a bad place. Oh, okay, we can. We just do not actually do anything. Okay, okay. I see. I think I know what the issue is. It is too tight. Yeah. That, or actually no, it's a different thing. Okay, I will have to mark them as water. Yeah, I think they are not, the side things are not marked as water properly. Oh wow! Damn, I didn't know that, Modo. That is so nice. Yeah, so this works as expected because the splash is there. Yeah, I think I have to fix these corner tiles. I do not think they are marked as water properly in the tile set. So let me actually open the tile set. Tiles. And this is Reine tile set. Oh god. I had Reine tiles new or something like this. Don't tell me it's this file. No, this is just Reine tiles. No, this is new tiles. Okay, this is new tiles. I will have to rename this then, because it shouldn't be like this. So let me check. Yeah, so this is type water, but these are not. Yeah, it's just this one that is type water. I see. Let me open also Arizona. So this is not Wakaya. This was Prairie, I think. Tiles 2. Yeah, we have water here. So these. Type default. Oh, really? Type default. Huh. I don't remember if there was... no, there are no collision defined here, so no different parts. Sand path, sand grass, grass path. Yeah, it's just this. It doesn't matter. So type default. Okay, I may have to check. Although these ones, yeah, these ones are water. Yeah, okay, so they should be water. Yeah, okay. They should actually be... Oh, yeah, of course! Oh my god, these are... I am stupid. These are animated tiles. So these are actual tiles that are placed. These are just placeholders for animations. So you have four tile animations. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I see. I will have to add the water thing. Okay. So in this case, but this is Reine tiles. TSX. Tiles at properties. No, this is Reine tiles new. Okay. I may have to fix this. Let me actually put a note somewhere to fix this. Okay. New file set file for Reine. Okay. I do have to fix this at some point because this is like, this will be tragic to try and fix if I don't do this now. Okay, so we need type water. We need type water. These do not have to be water, these do. So these have to be type water. All of these have to be type water. This, and these have to be type water. Yeah, and these are the animated tiles, like the one-by-one animations. I think that is the case. Okay, so hopefully now everything should be good. Also, the jumpers work, yay! Listen, we actually did this. Let me place jumpers here also. Just for the fun of it. Now horizontal. Yeah, bottom ones, yeah, they are just smaller, that's it. And then we have side ones. Oh yeah, this is good. This is actually good. Because now I can see... Actually, hold on, jumpers. Let me maybe colorize jumpers differently. What color do we want for jumpers, is the question. Orange? Nah. Nah, this is barely visible. Okay, I thought I could use that, but no. Green? Green I use for different things. Green I usually use for destinations, like when it comes to scripting. This is way too bright for my tastes. I don't want to go blind looking at this. I guess I could do orange, sure. It may not be optimal, but this is something I am willing to take in here. Yeah, and this is now way less horrible to look at. Let me also disable collisions for now. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Although, now that I think about it, Modo, like, databases are not really necessary for you to when it comes to like 4G, 5G development, right? For mobile data. I don't think you use databases too often. I mostly know databases because I used to work at a bank, where they are used very often throughout, and like for different stuff. I happen to work at foreign exchange, so we use databases to hold all the orders when it comes to foreign exchange. So that's why I know them so well. But I don't think they are too useful for you in particular. It is still a useful knowledge to have, granted. So, because they do appear every now and then, so, you know, it is always nice. Okay, so this is good. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, never mind. This is not good. This collision is perhaps too small, I think. Yeah, I think this collision is too small. It has to be moved. Okay. Yeah, so let me fix this. Oh god, where was the tile? This. So it's this collision, right? It has to be bigger, I think. Yeah, I think this will have to be like this. Yes? Alright, we can also have a jumper here. I forgot. Okay. So this is good. Yeah, and I think this is alright. Let me check if the up is good. Yeah, this is good. So this is actually good. Okay. We are learning slowly how to actually achieve stuff. There we go. I can talk. Trust me, I can talk. Okay, we'll probably have to also fix God, the other thing. We'll have to fix this, yes. Because this is too small, I think. But we'll see. Yeah, this should be good. This will have to be expanded. This will have to be expanded. This can be shrunk. This will have to be expanded. This can be shrunk. This can be shrunk. Yeah, this looks good, I think. Okay. Shall see whether that works or not. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this. Oh no, never mind. This is not good because it jumps you into the collision. Yeah. Okay, this does not jump you far enough. Oh, so maybe okay, I see. The collision may have been good. It just doesn't jump you far enough. I see. Okay, so we can probably undo all of our shenanigans. Let's see. Yeah, okay. There we go. Okay. I think we just have to jump further. That's basically the story right now. I think that's all we need right now. Okay. We'll need to do this. There we go. I think that's the case? No, never mind. Okay. No, that should be good. So jump length 2. Let's try 4. I think jump length 4 should be good. Maybe. So side ones. Let's try jump length 4. I don't exactly remember how jump length like worked behind the scenes. Also, damn, it's raining again in here. Poland is being hit by various rainstorms, I guess, which is pretty nice, actually. You can do this. Okay, there we go. It actually finished. Good. Okay. This is the story continue, yes. Okay, so this is good. Oh, wow. Okay. This is... No? Okay, no. We have to... Yeah, we have to expand the collision. The collision is completely wrong. So, it is not the jump length. It is... Also, this looks incredibly funny. I will say, this looks incredibly funny. I love this. Oh my god. I will use this when Shanti gets a chapter and she like jumps around. I will use this with no mercy. Also, hold on. Why is this good? Yeah, so this is good, but this isn't. That's so weird. This is also good. What? Oh my god, that is so cursed. Ah. Okay. Why? Oh, because this... Okay, I see. Never mind, I am stupid. Okay, never mind me. I am just stupid. Listen. Now this will be proper. Okay, so this is good. Yeah, so all of these are good. This should be good. Yeah, I think all of this should be good now. Let me just double check. All the things. You will see another thing that programmers do a ton. We test stuff. So you will constantly see me upload and then test every single thing one by one to make sure that I did not make a mistake. And I just wanted to... I just stopped myself from making a quip at main 6. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let me see this. Oh no, this is still bad. This is still bad. For some reason, it does not jump. Yeah, it is. Okay, no, jump has to be extended. It is not 3. It is not 4, but it's definitely not 2. 2 is too small. It does not jump you enough. But this works just fine. Jesus, I am actually baffled by the fact that this doesn't work properly. I am actually baffled by this. Oh, hold on. We have someone to ban. We do not need viewers. Listen. Get away with this. Okay. Let me think about this. Let me also do this, because jumper should be here as well. Jumper should be here as well. There we go. And yeah, this is good. So this is good. Why is this? Oh, because of this, I think. Yes, okay. I see what I did wrong. Yeah, now. This should be good. Yeah, now I should be able to jump at all the places. Okay, so let's try this. And then we shall see. Story continue. Okay, so this is good, yes. Oh, I didn't do collision for these lamps, but I don't care. This is actually what I care about now. So this is good. Oh, this isn't. Okay, we have to fix a little bit of a collision. Oopsie. Yeah, here. There is no collision. There's actually no collision in here. So this. Is this good? Yeah, this is good. Okay. Yep, so this is okay. Then we have this. This is good. This is good. And this is good. This one is also good. This is good. Okay. And last one is this. Yes. Okay, so this is all good. Nice. So in this case, we can go ahead and test another thing. Okay. Since you didn't see me place collision on this house, I can just walk whenever. Listen, doors are for the weak. We will approach from the other side and enter. Okay. I do have to fix the destination though. So yeah, this is what like map without the tiles looks like. So I can walk whenever, I can do whatever, but actually, yeah, I can. I can even do magic. Okay. This is what like the engine shows when you do not actually load tiles. So just an interesting thing. Okay. Let me do this. I don't yeah, I don't need this. Okay. So let me actually get, I think it was this one. Yes. So I want this antechamber copied over. I probably need to copy terrain layers. Yes. I wonder if this will copy all the contents. No, it just won't copy them. I see. Duplicate. Yeah, there is no copy layer. Oh my god, what an editor. Imagine, editor without copy paste. How could they have done this to me? How do you live like this? Oh no. Oh no. Unbelievable. Editor without copy paste feature. Absolutely disgusting. Okay. Overlay under. So we need this overlay under. Yeah, this is 219. Then we'll have Windows, which is this. Tile. We have Windows. Yes. Wait, did I copy? Yeah, layer 1. Okay, I see. Then we have walls. Why did I have... Actually, trying to think. I don't think I need this. Yeah, I don't. This is just stupid, I think. I don't actually need... Yeah, this one. Okay, then we have stairs overlay, stairs, rugs, and floor. Trying to think, why did I do so many layers? And why did I do the triggers here? I'm trying to think. There was a reason for this. I remember there being a reason for this, to do this. But I don't actually remember. Was it because of the light? Oh, I am not sure. I'm actually baffled by my own decisions earlier. This is also the life of a programmer. This is why you comment stuff, by the way. I don't think we'll have any stairs, but sure, just, you know, as a template. Stairs, and then we will have... I don't think I need rugs. I may. Yeah, I will. Actually, never mind. Rugs. Okay. So, let me copy floor from all of this here. Okay. We will need to... we can do it like this. Yes, I think so. Then we'll copy the rug. Just like this, I see. Not floor. We need this on the rugs. Okay, we have to copy this again. Yes. Then we need stairs. No. Stairs over. No. Walls. We will need walls. Oh my god, I just wanted to copy. Can you just let me copy? Oh, hold on. We have an invader. Okay, we may have to end earlier than I expected because I just was tasked with something. So you know, this may or may not be like ending earlier than anticipated, but it is what it is. What can I tell you? Okay, these were the walls, really? I feel like this is lying to me, but maybe not. Oh my god! So this is overlay. Oh wow, I actually didn't realize this was also incorrect. Interesting. Yeah, I didn't do these endings properly. Okay. Oh wow, I placed it at rugs. Oh no. Walls. Yeah, I also placed a wall, these walls incorrectly. Okay, sure. Let me fix this. Okay, let me do this. And then do, I think this. Yeah, this should be lower. So let me now copy over overlay. Okay. And this goes on overlay. Yeah, and we will be fixing this along the way. We will be fixing this along the way, hopefully. Okay, so we need different parts for this one. So this is this one, yes. This is just this one, yes. Then we need you. Oh, interesting. Okay. You should be this. Yes, and then... Oh my god, we need this. This has to go here. And then we need this. Okay. Yes. And then this has to be this one. And oh my god, I'm trying to think, why does this look like this? Also, walls are placed incorrectly. I will have to fix them as well. Okay, yeah, so these are the walls. There we go. Yes, and then overlay under. Let me just copy quickly overlay under. I think it's just a few. Yes, overlay under. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. So overlay, this goes here and this goes here. Okay, so now we have the antechamber, or at least like the prototype. I think I will make this taller, actually. I think I will make this taller. Just trying to think how. Do we have like this, this set, or do we just do another level normally? I'm trying to think, what do I want to do? Okay, let me just do this and try to think what fits more. Which level do you guys think is actually better? I feel like I want to do it like this. I remember it being done like this for the museum. Yes, this is how they did like the higher oh god, how do I say this? Rooms with a higher top. Taller, there we go. Taller rooms, yes. I managed to figure this out, okay. So I think I will go with this, actually. This looks at least better to me. I may be biased, I may be lying to myself, but I feel this is actually the better way to do this. Okay, so let me actually move this here, and we need wall under here. Actually, I can just use this one, yes. Okay. And I can also use this one. Yes. Okay, there we go. This or this, yeah, they actually are literally the same. Yeah, so there's no difference. Okay, so now overlay. Overlay needs to go here. Yes. I do have to think how to actually present the corridors though. What do I do with the corridors when it comes to like the taller room? I haven't thought about that. What I think the museum did is they... Let me just see. I think what they did... Do I have it in recent files? Reine, no longer. Okay. What I think they did is they had the corridors also be taller. What am I looking for? Oh god, I am derping so hard. Reine and RE Museum 1. Yeah, they did. So this is the corridor. Okay. Okay, I see. We'll probably have to do this differently. Also, hold on. Before I forget, actually, let me do one thing. Let me resize this a little bit. So yeah, I'm still on overlay. This is good. This is good. And then I can do map properties. Oh yeah, we should probably copy map properties. Map properties, because there should be... Oh no, there is not. Oh, this is done via zone. Okay, I remember. I was wondering how the shadow was done. It was done via zones. So, okay, maybe one by one. We'll get to this. For now, map properties, resize map. Yeah, there we go. Okay. We want this way smaller. And we want it like this. Okay. This also needs to be smaller. And this needs to be here. I will actually make it like this. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, so overlay will also fill this, and now we can actually work on the proper height. Okay. Oh, I see. Fine. We will, because this is this is wall. Oh no, this is overlay under. It doesn't make any sense to me. This doesn't make any sense to me right now. But the walls are just the bottom ones. Okay, I remember. Oh my god, I remember why. Because I tried to fit all the rooms on a single map. Yeah, because I tried to fill all the placeholder rooms in a single map. So that's why this is such a cursed thing. I think we'll change this a little bit. Because this makes absolutely no sense. So hold on. This is overlay under, right? Yeah, this is... Actually, let me just have overlay under. Let me have just overlay under. So I do not think we need this. I do not think we need this. I think we just need these two. Yes. Okay. Yes. This is actually good. And then we can check overlay. So I want to copy this. All of this, because it is actually unnecessary here. And place it into walls. Yes. And then we can copy this over on wall side. Yes. And then we can also get these as walls. Yeah, and I think this is actually way better. Okay, we just need to do this. And we need to delete a little bit of the overlay to make space for this. Probably here too. Okay, so overlay. We are at walls. We need 2, and then 3 is this. Oh, okay, sure. I guess I can do this as well. Yes, and then we can copy this. Okay. This will be a very tiny corridor though, so I guess it works. I guess it works out fine. Again, cope, but that is all I can do right now. I can only cope. Okay. Yes, we can expand our floor a little bit to be proper. Yes, and then we can also do the right side. So walls will be this, then this. Then we can grab these and these. Then overlay will be this. There we go. Okay. Actually proper. Also, I hate another thing about the old tile sets. You have a lot of repeated tiles. So, for example, these dark tiles, they are constantly repeated throughout. Or these wooden or any other floor tile. These tiles are repeated, even though like this is wasting space. Something that triggers me a little bit when it comes to these tiles. What can I say? I hate how these things were never expanded upon. They were just started and that's it. So we don't really have a way to place to end a wall like this. It's annoying. It's very annoying, but whatever. Okay, listen. We have to probably now place other stuff. So we have to actually do the zones. Zone. So let me copy this over and shrink it to the appropriate size. Okay. Yeah, I think I will just hide this. This is not necessary for me anymore. Let's do collision. And, oh, this is type, this one had type, yeah, type collision. The group had the type. Yes, and now we can do the collision. Okay, but please hide the zones. I don't want to see the zones. Okay, I need to unlock the collision to select them, and let's go. So this, yeah, this is right below, yeah, right below the line, the wooden line. So this is actually good. I think it was one in front. Yeah, it was one in front on both sides. So we can just do it like this. Okay. Do it like this, and then here like this, yeah. Okay. So the idea with this antechamber is to at some point create enough pixel stuff to represent this room, right? So we'll need like flags and so on. I think it is possible. Like this is roughly the wall, at least the wall part is roughly what I have. This will be the hardest, so the seats, especially since they are leveled, this could be just one thing. And of course, I have no idea how to do the light, like the light coming from above, because this light is actually the light coming through this window, right? So this all kind of fits. Like this is the antechamber that people are like, you know, discussing in and actually being admitted at. But this will be like at some point actually done. For now, I can only do a prototype and that's it. I think, sadly, I will have to finish after actually creating this because I did promise to do something for someone. So, you know, it is what it is. What can I tell you? Okay. This should be proper, I think. Oh, wow, this is actually exactly the same size. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, this fits. Okay, so let me place this properly here. And now, what I want to do is create gateways back. Yeah, so okay, I shouldn't have closed the old file. So we need Reine District 5. We need these gates. Yeah. Actually, let's maybe get this one. Yeah, because this will be easier. So this, this, and this. Oh my god, no. I copied them to destinations. Okay, I copied them to the wrong layer. I don't think it matters, but it is kind of a grouping thing, right? You just want to group things together. So that's why I actually want to move them, even though this wouldn't really make the engine react differently at all. Okay, so this is 5, this is 5, and I don't remember which destination this is. This is B, this is A. Yeah, so we can have C. Yeah, that actually works. So this is C. Yes. Yeah, this is Reine District 5. This is C. We will be going to C. So this is good. This, I need destination. Yeah, Reine City. Hoofstrong Family Launch. Okay. And I will test this, and I think, as I said, like I will call this sadly early because hey, stuff happens. But you could see me at least prototype a few things. No scripting, sadly, on this one. There is still progress. Trust me. It may not always appear. Sometimes because I cannot spoil stuff. But progress is there, actually. I will also have to fix off screen the overlays on this one and the collisions. So probably next time. Oh yeah, ice. Hey, ice actually works. Unbelievable, isn't it? You will next time you will see me. This will probably all have proper collisions, proper leveling. I will also try to spice this place up. Place a few lamps, of course, because lamps are necessary. I may have to move. I actually may have to move this line one up and place lines along the road, lamps along the road. Yeah, I think I will do that as well. Let me, for now, enter here. Yeah, this is proper. So this is good. Now the camera is good. You cannot go off screen. Yeah, I think this is. I am happy with this one. Velvet is layering properly on all of these. Yes. And we'll have to add lights in here as well. Or perhaps a different lighting altogether for this one and just place lamps along the walls. I will have to think on this one. But yeah, sorry for the shorter one. I did want to work on this a little bit more, but I still cannot get over how this looks. This is so silly. Okay, listen. We'll end on this screen because this is a good one. Let me see if there's perhaps there was Trace streaming earlier. I think they are still streaming. Yes, Trace is still streaming, so we will actually invade Trace perhaps. Okay. We'll actually raid Trace. I just have to copy their name because I do not trust myself with typing names, especially when I am tired or in a hurry. So you know, it is what it is. Okay, so shorter one. Thanks for joining me. Sadly, not much done, but hey, listen, always something. And yeah, I will see you. I will see you again at some point. Have a good one, guys.